What up, fireworks fam? I'm Doug, founder and CEO here at Red Apple Fireworks. And today, right now, we're counting down the top 10 most colorful fireworks from Red Apple that will light up your night sky. Our team here at Red Apple Fireworks has been hard at work developing an amazing array of colorful fireworks for your pyro pleasure. With a lineup that spans canister shells, aerials, fountains, and more, these picks are sure to impress and score you the King of the Block title for your next fireworks celebration. Now keep in mind, these picks are my own personal opinion, so feel free to agree or disagree in the comments below. And don't forget to stick around to the end of the video for a special bonus product that'll add a colorful twist to your next camping trip. All right, let's go. Number 10. Coming in hot at number 10 is our Rainbow Waterfall handheld fountains. Forget short burning and sometimes dangerous sparklers, and go with this crowd pleaser for its cascade of amazing colors. Handheld and easy to use, the Rainbow Waterfall emits a stunning flow of neon flames and bright silver sparks, creating a colorful waterfall effect that's perfect for any celebration. Number 9. Our 9th pick is the Neon Fusion Rockets. These rockets are all about neon brilliance. Each launch delivers intense, vivid neon colors that light up the night sky. Perfect for adding a loud bang of neon to any fireworks display. Now, don't let the size of these rockets fool you. They put out a professional level display of brilliant light and sound. Number 8. Next up is the Ronin 32-shot standard aerial finale set. These aerials are designed for a dramatic finale, featuring a brilliant mix of colors and effect patterns. With each shot, you'll see a colorful display that builds up to a grand, colorful conclusion. Shoot them sequentially or all at once for an intense finale that you won't believe comes from a standard size aerial. Ronin includes 9 colors and 11 different effects. Sick! Number 7. My next pick is the Unicorn Puke 25-shot XL aerial. Now, don't let the name throw you off. These aerials are pure magic. Check out this spectacular mix of different colors and effects that create a stunning, mystical atmosphere in the sky. With 6 different vivid neon colors and 9 different effects, you'll be tripping rainbows. Number 6. Now we've got the super unique 36-shot smoke show daytime aerial. Smoke show is designed for performance during the day, and it accomplishes this by shooting up into the air a stunning array of neon smoke trails. Now the smoke trails linger in the air, adding a colorful and unique twist to your daytime festivities. Smoke Show is simply not like anything else in the Red Apple catalog. Your go-to daytime firework has gotta be the Smoke Show 36-shot XL aerial. Number 5, we've got the Ganja Killa XXL 6-inch canister shells. With a name like the Ganja Killa, it only makes sense that the level these shells reach is high. When they explode in the sky, Killa shells feature 14 unique, bold, bright colors. And they fill the sky with unique effects. This combination of colors and effects is sure to make your display unforgettable. Number 4. Next up on the list is the 60-shot XL aerial known as the Gumball Barrage. A super customized firework from Red Apple, this aerial barrage offers a mesmerizing display of colorful neon bursts. Each series of shots releases a rainbow of neon colors, set to light up the sky in rapid fire succession. Perfect for a show opener to get everyone's attention, or part of a high energy finale that keeps everyone's eyes glued to the sky. Number 3. Next up is the Lunar Rainbow 50-shot XL aerial. This XL aerial brings the beauty of a Hawaiian lunar rainbow right to your backyard or block. Each launch delivers vibrant colors and large sky-filling patterns that mimic the arc and colors of a rainbow against the night sky. Beautiful. With the lunar rainbow, you'll be lighting up the sky like Roy G. Biv, with 9 super bright neon rainbow colors and 11 complementary effects. Number 2, coming in strong is the 192-shot XL aerial finale set known as Tokyo Rose. One of my personal favorites that you'll see in all my shows, the Tokyo Rose finale set offers an incredible display with a strong rapid fire sequence of colorful bursts and effects. With an impressive 16 different neon colors and 10 effects, all spanning its 192 shots. Tokyo Rose creates a continuous spectacle that captivates and impresses. Looking to shut down the competition? Make it easy by including the Tokyo Rose in your next fireworks celebration. Number 1. So exciting! Our number 1 pick for the most colorful fireworks from Red Apple is the Chroma 5-inch XL canister shells. These shells are renowned for their stunning colors and incredible effect combinations. Each shell features high-quality pyrotechnic composition that bursts into vivid hues. With 24 different shells per kit, you'll have plenty of explosions to keep the party absolutely lit all night. Bonus! You made it all the way through the video, congratulations, and now it's time for our special bonus product. Make sure you pick up some of our Neon Fire color-changing campfire powder. Every campfire will be a new experience with Neon Fire, which transforms your campfire into a colorful display. Just sprinkle it on and watch as the flames change into a spectrum of vibrant neon colors, adding a magical touch to your night. So cool! And there you have it. Those were the top 10 most colorful fireworks from Red Apple. Be sure to visit our website and get your hands on these vibrant pyro products and make your next fireworks celebration unforgettable. Peace.